Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and let me show you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find apps. Let's tap here. Now let's choose this three dots icon, and as you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got the reset up preferences option, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you what it will reset, so it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, notifications, restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restrictions and permission restrictions. What's more, you won't lose any your existing app data, so if you are ready, click on reset. And this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.